Hi there, this is Rajaul Karim, and now I'm going to show you how we can add a lookbook hotspot section to show our product. From here, under template, I will add the lookbook hotspot section under the on the customer review section. Then add section. Here we search lookbook hotspot. We'll put it here under the collection list. This is the lookbook hotspot section, and I will have to add the image and hotspot icon. Click on it, select the image. I'm going to use this image. After selecting the image, then click on add hotspot. You can see a hotspot icon. Just position it. I will put it on jacket. Okay, you can see it's here, and I will have to add a product. Which product I want to show? I want to show Benny jacket. This is the same jacket. Save it, and now I will add another hotspot. I will have to move it. I will put it on pant. Okay, that's fine. Then I will have to choose the product. I'm going to choose jeans. All is done. Save. Then if I refresh, you can see the hotspot here. This is the home page, and if I click on it, you can see the jacket I have added, and here is the jeans. Okay, now if I click on view product, now we are in product page and we can see the jacket. If I click on pant, now we can see the product jeans. How do you add in your Shopify store? Just copy the code. I will provide the code in the description. Copy the code and go to your Shopify admin. Then from here, edit code. Click on edit code. You'll have to make a section named lookbook hotspot, or any name you like. I put it lookbook hotspot liquid. Then I have already the code. I'm going to remove it and show you how to add. Copy the code, paste it here, and set. Paste it, then set. It's responsive, you can see. That's all. Thanks for watching.